that those groups engaged in the experimental treatment but didn't in the control treatment. So what between subjects latent variable models do is specify sources of between subjects differences. But because they are silent with respect to the question of how individual scores are produced, they cannot be interpreted as posing any particular cognitive or motivational process as a causal force within a person. This is a psychological expression of those ergodic laws. When I know something about the group as a whole, the mean, that number may actually not be the score that any person in the group has gotten. And consequently, my attempts to try to interpret what's going on cognitively or motivationally inside a particular learner are not allowed. Challenge number 3, the analyses that we do actually mask the connections between operations and informations. So I don't know which particular operation got applied to which particular information. I give you a 10-item multiple choice test. And how do I know which operation you applied to learn the information that gained you the correct answer to number 1? And did you use the same one for number 2, which you also got correct? I don't know in the classical experimental approach. What if I have 2 different units of information and the same operation is applied to one but not the other, and you get one test item correct for the first bit of information but not the second? Why? It's not supposed to happen if we have regular laws. Well, it must be something random. But of course, that's very unsatisfying. Here's another case. What if there are 2 different units of information and different cognitive operations, and you get the test items for both of these bits of information correct? Well, how did that happen? First of all,